Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Microscopic World. Sandstorm is a common environmental phenomenon, occurs in everywhere, especially in the desert of Middle East. Sandstorm usually arrives suddenly in the form of an advancing wall of the dust and debris, which may be miles long and several thousand feet high. This strike with a little warning, making condition hazardous. In this video, we will show you the dust sample from the sandstorm under the microscope and we'll see what it looks like. So let me put some on the slide. I will spread it a little bit for the better magnification. Please note that it will be different than the household dust. Let me adjust the focus. Amazing. The small particles of sand looks amazingly. Please note that we are looking at 100 times magnification, so you can imagine how tiny they are. We can see different kind of particles here. Sand can be made out of different kind of rocks, and what makes sand is its size. Every grain can be 0.05 to 2 millimeter across, but what size can fly in the sandstorm? That's the size of these particles, which varies between 0.08 millimeter and 1 millimeter. So just for the information, this dust is collected in the Riyadh district of Saudi Arabia. So it is obvious that the sand particles from different parts of the world can be vary in structure, size and nature. Beautiful. Regardless how harmful they are, they look amazing. Some people may have allergy from the dust, including me, but it looks very nice. So in the end, if you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe for sure and press the like button. Also, please comment below for the suggestions and let me know what thing you want to see next. Thanks for watching.